Hello and welcome to this very special series Launch Your Business. Now, if you want to switch from job to business or achieve financial freedom or find a business idea or make a business plan, or if you are already in a business and you want to grow your business faster or put your business into autopilot mode, then this is the place. So in the next few days, I'll be releasing some series of videos which will help you either to start your own business, find a business idea, make a business plan, or grow your business faster. So make sure you watch all the videos. Now, from past 10 plus years, I have worked with more than 50,000 professionals all across the world, online and offline, and I help them either to start their own business or make lots of money in their business, or they grow their business faster at the same time achieve lots of professional success in their life. So if you are one of them who wants to become a successful person, who wants to achieve a big success in their life, in their professional life or in their business life, and create a difference in this world, so watch this web series called as Launch Your Business. uh, it's been from many months, I wanted to do this web series. I couldn't get time, so finally I found time to work on this web series. So make sure you watch all the videos. If you are new to this video channel, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon as well, so every time I upload a new video, you will be the first one to get notified by that. Give me the like, and at the same time comment on the videos, because let's say maybe where you from, or where or what are the questions you have about the business. Now me and my team will be going there, watching those comments, and if you have particular questions, we'll pick those questions and answer them in upcoming series. So make sure you do not miss any of the videos. Give me the thumbs up and likes, and I'll see you in next videos. My goal here is to help you either to switch from job to business, or start your money making business. So guys, let's get going and launch your business. See you in the next video. Bye.